No, ma'am. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Done. So it's my actually first experience in Menti. Shall we start now?
Ma'am, registered ID.
ID number is visible here, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Two four two eight 694. 2428694. Fine. So
मैम 1 minute.
okay. First of all of you join it. Take your time. Then we will start. 2428694. Fine. Shall we start? Shall we
Yes, ma'am.
start?
Yes.
Okay. So here I think net is bit slow.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer fast to get more. Power sharing is good for democracy, true or false? Only 30 seconds is there. Time is going on. So do it fast. And your time countdown begins here. Power sharing is good for democracy. 5. The correct answer is true.
दो ही मैंने कराया था.
Only two answer I got. Huh? Only two answer I got. नहीं दो नहीं आया क्या? दो नहीं आया. 9. Good. 10 में से 9 out of 10 9 say true and 1 false. Fine. So you can see here your leaderboard. Rashi, very good. Arpit, Rashi Jain, fastest answer is given by Rashi Jain. Then Arpit, Astha. Who is this Earthman? Okay, don't change your name. At least tell me who is this Earthman.
मैम वो बहुत फास्ट हो गया था, इसके कारण मेरा नाम भी नहीं लिया
मैम
हाँ
मैम वो बहुत फास्ट. मैम मेरा नाम है अर्थ जैन. मैम अर्थ मैम मेरा नाम है. मैम चेंज करने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं आता.
ऑप्शन ही नहीं आया था मैम.
it's okay. Let me know
Yes,
who
ma'am.
is that. बस.
मैम
Hustler,
अर्थ मैन मैं हूँ.
Arihan.
यस मैम.
And this hustler,
मैम मैं हूँ रितेश.
Hitesh. Good. And this one, Android, Simba. Okay, fine. So you got
मैम
your
एनेड्रॉइड जो मेरा है, एनेड्रॉइड मेरा है.
अच्छा. Okay. Question number 2. Let's see. Answer fast to get more points. Explain the meaning of federal division of power. You have 2 minutes. Type it fast. Explain the meaning of federal division of power. Yes, children, I am waiting for your response. Good. Very good. It means my children are very fast. 6 children has already responded. Still 1 minute is remain. ज़्यादा टाइम दे दिया क्या मैंने? 2 मिनट आप लोगों को? Eight children has responded. And 2 more are still remain. 1 more. Okay, everyone has voted. Explain the meaning of federal division of power. The correct answer is division of power between the central and the state government is called federal division of power. It is called so because this involve the sharing. ये this is correct one. ये गलत है. When the power in a country is divided into central, this is also correct. So when the power is in a country is divided into, ये भी correct है. Power is divided into, ये भी correct है. When a power in a country divided into central, आप लोगों ने सबने चीटिंग किया क्या? Connected with the, ये तो गलत है बेटा, connect नहीं होता ना. When the power of the country divided into central and state is right. Okay? देखें. Let's see the scoreboard. Very good. In this way, Rashi Jain, Khushi was the federal division of power, na? Now you can see the leaderboard. Is it okay? Naitik, you have not submitted your answer. Naitik,
Yes, ma'am.
why did you not submit your answer? Good.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम मैम मैं शेयरिंग ऑफ पावर लिखा था पर कैसे गलत आप करे मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
शेयरिंग ऑफ पावर आपने लिखा था है ना?
बस मैम यही लिखा था, आप गलत कर दिए.
तो
बस वो लिखना भूल गया मैम, सेंट्रल और स्टेट के लिए. तो उसमें
why
आप
this is wrong beta? Because the, look at here, sharing of power means what? Which power you want to share? The power you have.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम बस मैम जल्दी मैं सेंट्रल और स्टेट लिखना भूल गया था मैम. पावर ऑफ शेयरिंग तो क्या बोलते हैं, राइट है ना मैम आंसर.
जल्दी में मैं भी आपको मार्क देना,
फेडरल का मतलब
जल्दी में मैं भी आपको मार्क देना भूल गई है ना.
मैम.
It happens.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से कनेक्ट रहते हैं ना.
Yes.
तो मैं तो सही दिया था.
नहीं, आपने सही नहीं दिया. Okay. Shall we continue?
मैम
So here we are going to get our question number 3. Please note down your marks. At the last we will see. Answer fast to get more marks. Explain the basic principle of democracy. And you have 2 minutes. Explain the basic principle of democracy. Two minutes are sufficient, beta. I got 2 responses. 3, 4. Very good. Very good. 5. 5 children has submitted their response. 6 children. 7. 8. 9. Yes, everyone has voted now. We can see your answers here. The correct answer is the basic principle of democracy is that people are the source of all political power. Who has written this? Democracy is a system of rule by laws at individual. In a democracy, the rule of law protects the right of citizen, maintains order and limits it. The basic principle पूछा था ना? It is a set of principle and practice that protects human freedom for the people, to the people, by the people. ये सही है, but अभी now for as of now I am correcting it. Otherwise, no. No. No, democracy is system ruled by law, not of individuals. No. So, I know many of you have copied it from the Google. But नकल के लिए भी अकल चाहिए. See the correct answer. The basic principle of democracy is that people are the source of all political power. It is related answer. This answer is related answer. Then all citizens are equal before the law. No. Democracy is a system ruled by laws, not individuals. In a democracy, the rule of law protects the right of citizen, maintains order and limits. No. Whenever we talk about the democracy, beta, whenever we talk about the democracy, democracy is simply what Abraham Lincoln said, for the people, to the people, by the people. Means जो पब्लिक होते हैं वो अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अपने लिए खुद चूज करते हैं ना. Sorry. Okay, let's see the result. Arihant Jain only got the marks, and hence the result is now still Rashi Jain is at the top, then Khushi, now Arihant. Fine. ये कौन है मैजिकल राइनो? Okay, let's see the next one. Apart from the central and the state governments, which is the third type of government practiced in Belgium? 30 seconds. Apart from the central and state governments, which is the third type of government practiced in Belgium? Time up. I got only 5 response. The correct answer is community government. The correct answer is community government. Out of 5, 3 are correct, 2 are wrong. Let's see who has given right answer. These 3 children has given right answer: Khushi, Arihan and Ritesh. Rashi कहाँ गई? Rashi came on 4th position. Rashi C. अरिहंत ने आपको बीट कर दिया. ओके, वेरी गुड रितेश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 8 children are here in the class. Which language was recognized as the only official language of Sri Lanka in 1956? 30-second time. 3 respond. I got 4.
मैम एक मिस्टेक हो गया मैम.
क्या?
मैम मैं गलती से एक ही जगह क्यों लिख दिया लास्ट में सिन्हाला की स्पेलिंग में.
कोई बात नहीं. I will consider.
यस मैम.
अरिहंत पागल है क्या? आंसर क्यों बता दिया भाई सबको? आता है तो मैम को बाद में बता सकता था.
ये ना, द करेक्ट आंसर इज सिन्हाला. ये चलो इसको हम कंसीडर कर देते हैं. ये जिसने भी लिखा है शिनाला लिखा है, लिखा सबने सही है. सिन्हा, ये क्या लिखा है भाई?
मैम मेरी स्पेलिंग बस सही है.
Yes, out of 7, 2 are wrong. Actually, these 2 are not wrong, but they look at the spelling.
बट बोर्ड में लिखेंगे तो जाएंगे.
क्यू वाला है.
Okay, fine. Look at here. Is it a spelling of Sinhala? Is this the spelling of Sinhala? Is this the spelling of Sinhala? So out of 7 we got how many marks? How many correct answer? 5. Let's see the scoreboard. Arihant got top position, 3,433 points. Very good, Arihant. Excellent. Now you need to type your answer. In dealing with the part sharing, which one of, देखो नीचे 3 ऑप्शन दिया है. Which one of the following statement is not correct about democracy? People are the source of political power. In a democracy, due respect. One answer I got. In a democracy, due respect is given to diverse groups in a views that exist in a society. 2, 3 answer I got. In a democracy, if the power is to decide is dispersed, it is not possible to take quick decision and enforce them. 6 answers I got. 7. 8 आंसर आई गॉट. कितने लोग हैं पार्टिसिपेंट क्लास में? What about the other children? Children, why are you not responding? Rest of children, just as a viewers. And the correct answer is, in a democracy, if the power to decide is displaced, it is not possible to take quick decision and enforce them. Got it, children? So how many of you have given the right answer? How many of you have given? I will give marks for this separately, okay? I will give marks for this separately. Yes, Mehak? Yes, Mehak, say, is there any problem? Mehak want to say something? Yes, good, Raj. So, the next one. A system of checks and balances is another name for which one of the following power sharing arrangements? Power sharing among different social groups, vertical division of power, or power shared among different levels of government, horizontal division of power, or power shared among different organs of the government. I got 2 responses, 3 responses, 4 responses, 5. Wait, Raj, wait. I got 7 responses. Only 7 responses I got, huh? What about the others? Okay, I got 8 responses, 9 responses. Yes, yes, yes. You should participate, beta. It's a type of revision with fun. A system of check and balances is another name for which one of the following power sharing arrangements? And the right answer is horizontal division of power shared among the different organs of the government. Shared among the different organs of the government. Got it? Okay. Next question. Define the term ethnic. Define the term ethnic. Define the term ethnic. Submitted. Option आ रहा है उसमें सबमिट करने का. Okay, here you are not able to. Yes. You will get an option to click to participate quiz, and you can ask a question or answer here. Yes. Here, of or relating to large groups of people, class according to the common racial, national, tribal, religious, linguistic or cultural origin or background, ethnic minorities, ethnic enclaves. A social division based on shared culture, people belong to the same ethnic group, belong to their common descent because of similarities of physical or of cultural or both. You just need to define this. Classification of people of among what? Connected with or the typical of a particular race or religion. Well tried. How far do you agree with the statement that power sharing is keeping with the spirit of democracy? 1A of our relating to a large groups of people classed according to common racial, national, tribal, religious, linguistic or cultural. How far do you agree with the statement that power sharing keeping with the spirit of democracy, it reduces the conflict between people is right answer. Is absolutely right answer. Khushi, just you need to join and type your answer. Power sharing keeps up with the spirit of democracy as I. Power sharing ensure that all people have a stake in a government. Second, power sharing ensure maximum participation. It upholds the concept of if margin is not there to write, please you can verbally tell me. Power sharing keeps us with the spirit of democracy. Same answer.
मैम concept of मैम मैं बताऊं concept of people's rules it always bring better outcomes in democracy इतना ही है मैम आंसर ये मेरा आंसर
Yes, but it is exactly from the Google. जो गूगल में दिया है कॉपी पेस्ट मार दिया गया है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि देखो अगर हम ओन वर्ड में लिखते तो ऐसे आधे पे एंड नहीं करते ना. आपको नहीं करना चाहिए ऐसा, जो भी किया है ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Define majoritarianism. It helps to possibility to of conflict between various ethnic groups living in a society. Now define majoritarianism of or relating to the large group of people classed according to common racial, national, tribal, religious. Define majoritarianism. Majoritarianism. I'm waiting for your response, children. Really, you children are doing very awesome, but did not get any answer yet. Define majoritarianism. Yes, majoritarianism is a traditional and political philosophy or agenda that assert that a majority, that assert as a majority, a person who support government by majority. It is a rule where only one committee rule, majority. Majoritarianism is a traditional political philosophy or agenda that assert that a majority, sometimes categorized by the religion, language, social class, or some other identity factors. Good. Now, very interesting question is this. See the image. What is the relation between democracy and concentration of power? See the image. इस इमेज को दिखाओ. देखो डेमोक्रेसी क्या कर रहा है? What image is trying to show? The horse which is keeping all the loads and trying to take the person in a good way. That is democracy. बैठा कौन है इसमें? पुतिन एंड जॉर्ज बुश. एंड वो क्या कह रहा है? वी गॉट कीप द रिंग टाइट व्लादिमीर. What is the relation between democracy and concentration of power? A democracy implies giving more power to the people, sharing power among the groups, parties, dividing powers among the various organs, levels of government. Concentration is rather the opposite, and giving more power to the people, sharing power among the groups of parties is right answer. Very good.
Ma'am, please explain this question.
This one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the picture, what is it is showing?
Okay, so what is the relation between the democracy and concentration of power? So first of all, tell me what's the meaning of concentration of power? आप क्या समझते हो concentration of power से? हाँ, democracy, all we know very well what is democracy, है ना? Now you tell me what is the concentration of power? जल्दी बताओ बेटा, क्लास ओवर हो जाएगी. Because many times I asked you कि children, do you have any doubt in any given chapter, but you always tell me no ma'am, all clear, है ना?
Ma'am, don't know.
So what is the meaning of concentration of power? Someone is sending me text. Some Rashi Jan is saying, ma'am, someone copy from Google to have some. Next question, ma'am. Okay. I asked. देखो बेटा, डेमोक्रेसी ऑल वी नो बाय द पीपल, फ्रॉम द पीपल टू द पीपल. एंड कंसंट्रेशन में व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन? अर्पित,
Yes, ma'am.
कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ पावर क्या होता है?
मैम, जिसमें जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स है, क्या बोलते हैं?
सिंपल सी बात है. इट इज ऑफ पावर शेयरिंग, द लेवल हॉरिजॉन्टल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर, जहाँ पे एग्जीक्यूटिव, लेजिस्लेचर और जुडिशरी होते हैं, जहाँ पे चेक एंड बैलेंसेस पॉसिबल होता है. दैट इज कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ पावर.